that we're looking for to take over the game?
I think we started off pretty strong. We created a couple opportunities, hit them on the counter a couple times. We just gotta put the ball in the back of the net. I think that's been our problem lately. But the good thing is that we're creating chances. You know, you look a couple years ago when we played against Canada, it wasn't like this. So it just shows that we're progressing, and we just have to keep being positive, and the ball will eventually get going back to the net. The games in Toronto are really important. We just have to stay focused. It's not over yet. Of course, the crowd in Toronto is going to be loud. That's where we have to give our best and fight. And we have to be better than today. I think we had some really good moments, but we can be better.
Speaking about Canada and Toronto, I mean, everybody who knows you, knows that you were once a Canadian national. How was it, like playing against, your former country?
Oh, this is an extra special game for me personally. I've played with half of the girls, so it's always an honor. And I don't know. I think when I get back to the stadium in BMO, it's going to be quite emotional for me because that was the last time I ever put on a Canadian jersey, and we played against the U.S. at the time. So it's going to be interesting to go back there and have a Jamaican jersey on now. So, and there's a lot of Jamaican fans in Toronto, so it's going to be one of those games where we still have that fire, So I'm actually really looking forward to that, and I'm excited as well too. And you know me, anytime I get my opportunity, I'm gonna do something with it and create chances. I think that's really important. That every time I step on the field, people feel my presence. So I'm going to continue doing that. Doesn't matter my role.
What do you think about the chemistry on the team? Especially with your role. I mean, you play wing back sometime, you play up top sometime. I mean, do you have a favorite position? And what position do you think you benefit the team best?
Ooh, I don't know. It honestly depends on the game. It's hard to say, really. For me, I'm very attacking minded, so of course I love to be closer to the goal. The closer I am to the goal, the more opportunities I'm going to create, whether I'm going to put in some crosses or get a shot off. I do think I'm more dangerous as a winger, but I'm still open into that right back position. I think I can bring something there as well too. I think our backline has done a magnificent job, and I can understand why they've stuck with that group. I think they've been great, so that's why I'm open to anything. If I come on as a winger or if I have to be subbed on as a wing back or right back, I'm open. I don't take anything for granted. I think it's an honor playing for Jamaica regardless of my role.
I wanted to light on. One of the questions we've been asking some of the players, who is the most famous contact you have in your phone right now?
Most famous contact? Whoa. Wow. I don't know. I'm trying to think of that one. Maybe Kadisha Buchanan? Trying to think. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe her.
Think about it.
Yeah, I might have a deeper one that I just don't text. But yeah, I'll have to think. I might have to get back to you on that one. And now they're gonna make me go through my phone.
Thank you so much, and all the best.
All right, thank you.